All right, so this footage may or may not make the cut. I need to get better with recording. I'm not a vlogger because ain't no way in the world I can have this camera with me everywhere I go. But instead of me just busting on the scene, setting up events, I really at least need to show y'all what I get to set up for my events and then go from there. What I'm working on is getting a vendor. Is it the right way to put it? Is it the right way to put it? I'm working on getting, I think it's a vendor, I guess. So I can get my stuff like on a cheaper scale since I'm really ordering a lot of stuff. And I'm using websites that do carry like table linen and chair covers. I'm starting to use those for the first time because I'm really not an online shopper. I just turned into an online shopper last year during the pandemic. Me and my wife have had Amazon Prime for like 3 years. And y'all think I'm lying. The first 2 years, maybe 4 years, but the first 2 years of us having Amazon Prime, let me make sure y'all can see me and that y'all not talking to my shirt. And let me close my, what do you call this? Broom closet. The first 2 years of us having Amazon Prime, we didn't even use, we didn't use it. We used it to watch the Amazon Prime movies, and that was all. We didn't use it. We didn't order anything. So I really just turned into an online shopper. I used to like going in the store, picking up my stuff, but because of COVID, and now that I'm so familiar with the 2-day stuff, I kind of got into this. So what I'm going to do is try to start showing y'all what I got. And I'm a bad person to make a description box. So I follow a couple of people on here, and my all-time favorite YouTuber is Christy Vaughn. She has 3 channels. She has the Box Truck Couple. She has the Mobile Home Diva, and then she has See Me Vlogs, which is a vlogging channel. And she is really the reason why I started doing this because I'm a country boy. She's a country girl. She started my first video of her. I'm gonna ramble for a second, and I don't care. My first video seeing of her was when she first purchased her mobile home. And I've been growing up in mobile homes all my lives, whether they double wides or single wides, I've been growing up in them. And I don't know how I got on that video. Maybe just because it had a lot of views, but just the way she talked and it's just always like, I don't know. She just would just talk you to sleep, and in a good way, not boring, but it was just so soothing, and she was just so thankful for her house. They had delivered a house, and so I had watched that one video, and I didn't subscribe because I don't even think she was uploading videos like that. What in the world? A gnat? But then when I came back on YouTube, because I watch videos frequently, she had posted another one. I said, let me watch this one since she was so interesting last time. And from that point on, I was hooked. And I didn't realize that I had missed some old videos too because I like to decorate. Y'all know I'm a man that likes to decorate. She likes to decorate. So I was like getting some of her ideas and stuff. Oh, okay. I was about to say, what is this? Like she make fall vignettes. And Christy, if you're watching this, I have not seen, today is October 1st and fall officially started on the 22nd of September. And you slacking because I have not seen a fall vignette. I have not seen a fall refresh from you. I have not seen the norm of what I would see from you. So I'm looking for that. Like how you do your little vignette and you change it with your fall colors. I'm waiting on that. So I'm calling you out. Anyway, but I do want to show y'all, and she's a vlogger more. She better at it than me. She don't have a lot of interruptions like me either because I got the kids and all of that, but just kind of like spend the day with me. I can't do them just yet, but when my kids get a little older and once this channel grows, because I really am excited. I got almost 5,000 subscribers. So once this channel grows, I'll get into that. So y'all can know a lot more about me and what I do and how I got into this stuff and what life is like for me now. But instead of just seeing time-lapse videos with me busting up on the scene saying, hey, I'm doing this and then doing that, which is pretty much the reason why a lot of y'all are on here. And then some of y'all on here for DIY stuff. Some of y'all on here because of the cleaning stuff. Some of y'all on here because of the vlogging stuff. So whatever it is. But I got a few boxes from Amazon, which is why I really came on here. And I might go to upload this tonight, but I got 2 other videos that I want to upload, which is a mermaid baby shower, and the other one is, I can't even remember. I think it's a Lakers baby shower. I got those 2 videos, and then this is for a wedding that I'm doing. So I think I want to go ahead and show you what I got now before I start pulling stuff out. Because you already see I got, if you can see on top of my refrigerator, I got my vases right here and a few flowers that I need to use to make a bouquet. I got some stuff right here that I've already purchased from Hobby Lobby. And then this is something that this is just foam balls that I'm going to use for my vases, my centerpieces. If y'all want to see that, I might go ahead and upload this video tonight. And if you want to see me make a couple, comment, and maybe I'll do that. These are, y'all can get raw and uncut tonight. I ain't doing a lot of editing. These are my linen napkins, and this right here, wouldn't it be a shame if I'm recording and y'all can't see what I'm doing, is, I should be able to pull it on now. I got gnat, I don't even want to say that. I got some gnats in here. I don't have no fruit, I don't have trash, I keep a clean house, so I don't, ooh, this is good. So these, y'all, ooh, this was a good investment. I'm going to use these for the wedding to hang on the backdrop at the front of the church. And it comes with 24. Yeah. Wow, this is actually good quality. That's a lot. My wife's going to be excited about that. She love it. She get inspired by what I do. These are runners, table runners. The wedding is hunter green blush and like a tan or a khaki. And one of my plans are to do is do white tablecloths, hunter green napkins, rose gold chargers, and centerpieces, candles, you know the whole 9. Hold on, y'all. My name will be picking at me because we co-workers too. I'm an operations manager for a call center job, and he's a supervisor under me. And he picked at me because I order so much stuff. And some stuff be for me and some stuff be for events. But like stuff like this, you really can't beat. This is like a blush. These are blush flowers. If you want me to link up my wheel, these are the same style or type flowers that I've used to make the hand bouquets in previous videos. I'm going to do better about linking it. So to hold myself accountable, I'm going to link it. I wonder where my other flowers is. Okay, so these are my blush ones, which is fine because I can still make a centerpiece for y'all tonight. But we're going to, this bit, somebody really must have been working hard because there's food in there. It says stove. Ringing it was stowed up. Christy, if you watching this, since you my on my Amazon guru, maybe you can tell me where they keep all the extra stuff here when it's not on the production floor. So I got that. Just my foam flowers, which I still will be able to make a centerpiece for you tonight if I need to, because I have some leftover cream color ones, which is, I ordered more of these, so they will probably be here between tomorrow and Sunday. Let me tell you something, I ain't never lived in nothing this small, like as far as house. I've always had space, and my living situation changed because the house that I was living in, beautiful house, y'all. On the road, country, but it was on the road, close to town. My landlord passed away, his kids took over and decided to sell the house. So they gave me the option to buy it, but I knew I wanted more kids. Crazy, right? Because I got 2 boys, but anyway, I knew I wanted more kids. We only had 1 at the time. And when I told him I was not planning on buying, I wonder is that coming from me putting this in the dishwasher? Because I just bought these knives. Y'all seen it not too long ago. Let me stop before I cut myself. When I told him I wasn't planning on buying, he that didn't call for all that. They told me I had until, was it October of 2021 to move? In the middle of a pandemic, 2020 to move. So I ended up having to, when my wife had the baby, had Bryson, we had him July the 23rd. It was a spare moment thing. Instead of me waiting until October to move, I was like, we could save more money. Just move out now and move with your parents. And they agreed to it, so we ended up moving out that June. I packed up that whole house. That house had to be 1,600 square feet. It was a modular home. I packed up the whole house in a week. And whenever I moved, we moved in one day. I pack up, because I'm not even going to say I'm OCD because that's really a condition people struggle with. But because I'm such a neat freak, I pack everything up. I know where it's going. I know how it's going on the truck. I know what part of the storage is going in. I packed it up real good. And when me and my brother come, what we do is we roll it on out the house. What we do is, if you ever bought a U-Haul, it's a ramp on the back. You take that ramp, and if you back up the U-Haul, you can make that ramp a bridge. So because the house has steps, we bridged that ramp. This the U-Haul, this the house. We took that ramp and bridged it, and we got dollars, and we rolled boxes and furniture, everything that can go on $1 went on $1. Anyway, I said that to say that my living situation has changed because we moved out and moved with my in-laws, her mama, her stepdaddy, and then we realized the home buying process was gonna take long, and we don't like to be in the way, and you know, they married, and we want to make sure we respect that and all that good stuff. So we ended up just finding us an apartment and moved in. That we moved in last October, so I've been staying for a year, and that right there is mind blowing. So this right here is a quick. I'm glad I got this. This is like a easel where you can put a sign on, and I got this for the wedding. I might get another one because the original price on this some ago was $50, and I think I ain't paid but $20 for it. Wait a minute, I can't get there when I ain't got the prongs that go with it. Calm down, Thomas. The prongs down here. Watch me break some on camera. Oh, I can bring it up. So, I'm trying to hurry up because my wife on the way home, we're going to get something to eat. Going to get some Mexican food. Hispanic food, Mexican food. Either way, I'm not trying to be rude when I say it. And then I'm going to edit this video and I'm going to post it. I'm going to upload it tonight. Hold myself accountable. I just want to see how the sign look on it. Because I can put this in the church, in the sanctuary. Dang. It's kind of big though, but shoot. I'm going to measure that too because I'm supposed to be buying a mirror. So the mirror can be no longer than, I'm going to say, 28 inches. And if I spread these out, they can be longer than I want it to be going across. No taller than 28, because I don't want it to topple over. But like, would that even look right? Like, how would I even do this for something? Can y'all see it? Hold on. Let me make sure y'all can see it. You see what I'm doing? Welcome to our beginning. It ain't giving the aesthetics it need to be given for real. As far as that. Y'all, I'm sorry. I cut the video off. I just realized it. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button. You like my video, give it a thumbs up. This is really the end of the video. Thank you for stopping by.